What is up guys? In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $50 per hour just testing websites. And literally guys, you do not even need any skill. It's going to be super easy. And guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 websites, plus whosoever is going to be stay with me till the end, I will be sharing with you one bonus website as well. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now let's jump into the video and let me share with you 3 websites with which you can easily make $50 per hour. So now guys, what the first website that I'm going to be share with you is the TryMyUI. Basically guys, this website is one of the best website to be known, because this website is from a very this website is working from many years, and literally in order to come and test over here, test websites over here, you just need to come over here and click on become a tester, and thereafter you just need to sign up, just enter your email and all that. And guys, the TryMyUI is going to pay you via PayPal, and literally this website pays about $10 for each test, and they are saying that literally every test is going to be near about 20 minutes. Literally guys, as I also used to do these things, so literally I never got any of the test that's worth 20 minutes. Everyone maximum of the tests were between the 10 to 15 minutes. So you can literally think that on what basis these websites are providing earning. Okay, so you just need to fill up your email address over here, enter your email address, password and all that, and literally guys, this website is going to pay you via PayPal. So you do not even need to worry about that, because this website is very much trusted. So now guys, the second website that I'm going to be share with you is the Userlytics. Guys, this website is best website. When I used to do these things, I found that this website is the highest paying website ever. Okay, so literally you just need to come over here and click on the in the right corner, you can see tester login sign up. So just click on the tester sign up, and this website pays the highest amount of money. Okay, this website even pays up to $90 for every single test you are going to do over here. So this is also one of the best website guys I have ever seen. Basically you just need to come over here and you just need to sign up, and they are going to send the money via PayPal as well. Okay, so it depends on the payment, like $5, $10, $15 and $20. So it's going to be super easy. Guys, it's kind of the thing like you are going to a website. The test will be something like you are going to a website. You just need to give your views about the website. They may say you that click on the add to cart button, and they just want to know whether the add to cart button is working properly or not. For example, sometimes things like happen, like if your customer is clicking on add to cart, it is taking him to the checkout page. So these are the problems that they want to avoid. So these are really simple tasks. Anybody can easily do this. Okay, so you just need to fill this over here, enter your email address, and guys, make sure to use your PayPal email address over here. Okay, PayPal email address. So the third website that I'm going to share with you is the userfield.com. This website is also very great. You just need to come over here and click on become a tester, and this website also pay via PayPal, and literally the payment of this website is I think about $10 for every 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, it's about 10 to 20 minutes. As I already said guys, most of the tasks are going to be of 10 minutes. Literally there are rare chances that a test will be of 20 minutes. Okay, so still guys, you can easily earn between $50 to $60, or even with the Userlytics you can even earn $60 per hour. Okay, so now coming down over here, you just need to fill a over here you can see, yeah, become a tester. So these are all of the questions you can check out, and you just need to click over here become a tester and just fill up your details. That's it. Whenever there will be any test, they are going to send the test via email. So be sure guys to find the email, to open your email every single day. Okay, and even I will say open a lot of times every single day, like 3 to 4 times. so that you are going to come to know whether there is any test available or not. So you need to remember that as well. And guys, a lot of people were saying that we do not get the daily test. So that is the purpose. Basically, yeah, you cannot get the test on daily basis. That is why I am sharing with you 4 websites. Okay, 3 websites I have already shared. Now comes the bonus website. As guys, I am sharing with you 4 websites, so you can literally get a lot more work than just one website. So this is the catch behind sharing 4 websites. So now the last website is the user testing. And guys, we all know about the user testing, but the payment of the user testing is really less as compared to all others. Okay, literally on the user testing, you are going to get a work of 20 minutes and they are going to pay you $10. Okay, so this is the website that that's why I keep it on the 4th place. Okay, but really guys, this website is having the most work, because this user testing is going to get the most work than any other. But Userlytics is also one of its biggest competitor. Okay, so you can get most work from here. You just need to enter your email, and over here you are going to get all of the work on your email. And guys, you may need some things like your screen recorder and something like that. So for the screen recorder, you do not even need to worry. Just come on the Google and search for the free screen recorder. I think for the Windows, OBS is going to be great, and I do not know about the Mac, but you can easily get some any kind of software, free screen recording software. Okay, so that you can get for free. And literally the company also says get a microphone. Literally guys, you do not even need a microphone, because when I used to do these things, I literally never bought a microphone. Okay, you can use your earbuds. That's really going to work very well, very well. So you do not even need to spend any money at all. And they may also say you to use a webcam. So in the webcam, you can use the inbuilt webcam. That is also going to work very well. So literally you can just start with 0 investment. And literally guys, I'm saying again, just like as in every video I say, do not just think these things at full-time business, because full-time income. So over here as well, you can see it's not a full-time work. So whatever you are going to earn from here, start investing that money into your own business and build your full-time income business. And if you want to learn how you can build a full-time passive income business, okay, just click the link in the description, and there I will be teaching you how you can build a full-time income business. And even I will be teaching you how to make $100 per day within your first month, or even less than that. Okay, so be sure to check that free training, and I will see you in the training. And bye bye and tata till then.